Oh! Alright guys, nandito naman tayo. Magra-rides tayo na naman ng boat. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Jungle Cruise.
Looks like a regular snake from up close, but from Jafar, I'm not sure.
Mag-jungle cruise tayo.
Time to take a picture right here.
Makita nyo, may sa kaliwa po natin, may mga crocodile at saka tiger. Malalaking snake. Whoa! Crocodile.
There was only 3 snakes back there. Normally there's 4. I think I saw one dangling off the back of the boat, but I'm on the front, so I'm
Ito
not
po
too
ang
concerned. Other than this little
itsura ng
duck in front of the
jungle
boat.
cruise.
Stay in front of me. We're plowing through here, can't you see? I think we all know which one's got the mightiest vessel of the two of us.
Sa kanan po natin, makikita po natin yung mga elephants.
Thank goodness they've got their trunks on. I know it's
Ang
mega
ganda.
awkward when they don't.
Ang ganda ng pagkasit na para sa lang yung mga elephants. Uy, naliligo yung
She
elephant.
showered too long, so she turned into an elephant.
Yan.
Now I don't have that problem for the obvious reason. I don't shower. Over here we got a shower
meron pa
coming up.
isa
Maybe
ditong
for my friends in the
elephant.
back here,
Yan,
you might want to duck.
papaliguan tayo.
Perfect time to protect the little kiddos, but no hurries. Oh, here comes the boom. Ready or not?
Yan, continue tayo. Sa kanan po natin, makikita natin yung mga unggoy. Ayan, may mga fans tayo ng mga unggoy.
The child.
Yan, sa kaliwa, uy, may baril pa yung isang unggoy.
They left the lights on too low. Alright, friends, looks could be deceiving here in the jungle. I'll never play this guy in poker. I hear he's
Ang galing ng pagkagawa nito, itong jungle cruise na ito. Na makikita po natin, may mga gorilla. Gorilla. Oh, may waterfalls. Oh!
Not to go chase the waterfalls. We just entered the Nile River, friends, if you don't believe that.
Nandito na tayo sa Nile River.
Thank you. Guy right there.
May elephant po sa kaliwa natin.
He can eat up to
May elephant, ayan, laking elephant.
But I can eat up to 600 right before bed.
Ito pa sa kanan natin, mayroon din elephant.
Another one right there. Almost made me Alright friends, this magical area right here is called the African Belt. If you all look over here to the port side, you won't see anything at all. Over here we got, there's some zebras. Hey, does anybody know what the tall ones are in the back?
Yan, makita natin yung mga zebra, giraffe, at saka anong tawag yan? Yung isa,
Yeah, there's giraffes too.
yung mga lion, mga tiger. Uy, may nahuli silang zebra
Oh,
sa
here we got
kanan.
Skipper Felix, a little side on time.
Ayun, ang pinaka funny part dito. Ayan.
Not afraid of anything. Who's here?
Matutusok
Skipper
na.
Felix got a haircut recently. It was a bowl cut. This thing was so bad, I had to call it the Super Bowl. Now, if you're worried about the lions escaping the jungle, don't worry, because in the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Alright, friends, I know you're here for the gun show. You're gonna
Oh,
watch
nandito na tayo sa area ng mga
the big guns.
ano to, hippopotamus, yan.
Duds,
Oh,
just like my jokes.
yung pa isa.
And my jokes are duds, and it's all because this is how we do it. Alright, friends. Now these guys just said we can crash anytime. Thank you guys. We'll
Ito, sa
crash
kanan po natin, may boat ito na, ano,
That's not too bad.
parang kinuha ng mga unggoy. Unggoy.
You have to find some new jokes. Alright, now on the head here. A couple of my best friends. See if you recognize them. The one on the left there is Tim. I call him the tool man. Taylor's the one on the right, and she's really swift with that day.
Unggoy sa kaliwa po natin.
A lifetime opportunity. If you know what it is, I'll get a call out with
Dito
me.
na yung waterfalls.
Everybody together.
Waterfalls! Yay!
Thanks so much, friends. Losing my voice just like my mind. Oh, that on the left. Hey, did you hear that? That rock just said, "Here I am."
Dito na yung mga pirana. makikita yung mga piranha dito.
If anybody's got any yummy ones, I'll get time to hook them up. For me, not the fish. Yikes, pull on, it's time to freak out, but keep your hands in
Piranha.
the boat, okay?
Nakita yung piranha. Look at the fish. Yan na.
And the bottom of the boat has gotta be getting thin. Exactly like my patience.
Ado.
What is that, a cow in the jungle? Almost missed it. They should put a bell on that cow, and you know, I'll tell the people at the office, I've got to get more cowbell.
Oh, may
And
karabaw
friends,
sila
if you
dito.
look at the very end of that snake right there, you've got snake eyes.
Karabaw saka ano.
And friends, if you want to see the
Anaconda.
river on the other side,
Anaconda.
just stream it.
Das anaconda.
Yeah, fun fact about piranhas, they can chew through the bottom of a boat in 3 seconds, but luckily we were only there for 5. We did just go through the Amazon. Reminds me, I haven't got my Jungle Book yet.
Yan sa kaliwa po natin, makikita natin yung karabaw. May anak yung karabaw. Saka maganda
Up
itong
ahead,
jungle
you're
na
gonna
to
see
kasi
Trader Sam's gift shop.
may
They've got the
mga
bare necessities. The simple bare
saging,
necessities.
may saging, may mga kawayan. Para siyang ano, talagang sa Amazon. Para sa Pilipinas. So, sa kaliwa natin, may tindahan ng
Friends, I'm gonna give you guys some
onboard.
early exit instructions. Everybody on this side of the boat is
Monkey
gonna go
gift
around the
shop.
engine and out the back door. Everybody in the center and the starboard side here, you're gonna go out of the front door. I will need children fully seated on their bottoms though. Thank you so much. We're gonna pull on ahead here. Everybody remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the boat.
Ayan.
Please supervise your children. If you got a magical adventure today, my name is Skipper Mikey. If you didn't, guess
Okay
what?
guys, dito na po tatapos ang ating jungle cruise.
Wow, I hope the sun is as bright as my future.